Sorkar TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kindon ru ki mock test ban penkraya pi na kabenda ka NEET.
Menteri Rangba Jylla Konrad ki sangma khat ru tri ujli araja apun rio ulo ong bak Sorkar Pdeng dangshan kelawan rai jingbu kundon halo jing IPSA nabar syaki Jylla ka bompat Juli hakis nam paladap na kabenta ki Jylla sya kathan chatai lamingi hakjing kran bigala pathai khubor Menteri Rangba ulai thu mahapo kom IPSA kumba prapho persen nakaram la Siew biang dak Sorkar Pdeng kat bagi Jylla ki don kamban Siew tang 8% nakador jong project ulo ong bak jing bah pisa kai phea nakawe ki Jylla shakawe pan.
The ceiling was not there for the different states of the Northeast. As I mentioned to you, 90% of the loan taken is repaid back by government. And hence, at a certain point in time, the ministry felt that there were certain states who were taking more and certain states were not getting as much. And Meghalaya happened to be the ones which was taking more. So therefore, the finance ministry felt that they should put a ceiling on how much a state can take. So I jokingly told Madam that time that that you are penalizing us for our efficiency. But she said that look, you don't have to repay it back. We have to repay it back. So therefore, obviously, we will look at all the aspects. So therefore, at that point in time, there was a ceiling. I can't remember the number. I think it was about 7,000 crores last 3,500 crores, yeah. 3,500 crores was a ceiling that was given to us last time. But as you know, add up all together, the projects that we managed to get up and cook up for ourselves was about 12,000 crores. So that's how we worked. We worked very hard and we got that. So this year we have requested that that ceiling concept should not be there for the 16th Finance Commission period. So it's really now up to Madam Finance Minister and to Government of India and especially to Honorable Prime Minister to decide that. We have put in our appeal, our request, because if the ceiling is not there, then obviously we can pitch in more. But at the end of the day, we have to also remember that state government still has to pay 28% of the amount. So it's not that we can keep going unlimited into as much as we want. 72% is repaid back or paid by the Government of India. 28% comes in the state government. So we still need the capacity to be able to pay at least the 28% also. So it's not that we can go for unlimited projects to the extent that we would want to. So keeping those challenges in mind, we are hopeful that the ceiling will be much higher than what it was last time. And the states that are able to absorb and are able to perform better will be allowed to do that in the future. So we have appealed, we're waiting for a final response from Ministry.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.